Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Google Chrome tutorials. How to browse in private with incognito mode in Google Chrome browser. As we all know, Google Chrome automatically remember our activity while browsing. Now come to history, and here it is showing the history made in this day. But if you don't want Chrome to remember our activity, we can browse the web privately in incognito mode. To open this, click on three dots placed in vertical at the top right corner of the window, and from the options please select new incognito window. Otherwise simply right click on Chrome icon on taskbar. From the expanded menu, click on new incognito window. Then it will open the Google Chrome with incognito window. Also we can use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift N to open an incognito window. When we launch this, a separate new window appears. In the top corner, check for incognito icon. We can switch between incognito window and regular Chrome windows in any time. Let's perform some activity. Again, check the history in incognito mode, and we don't find the history option. So let's check in normal window. And when we open the history, we don't find any activity that we made in incognito mode. So by using incognito window, Chrome won't save our browsing history, cookies, and so many information. But files we download and bookmarks we create will be kept. One thing remember that incognito mode not remember our activity, but these activities cannot be hidden from websites we visit, internet service providers, and some of authorized servers placed in schools, colleges, and so many places. And if we open a new tab in incognito mode, it will be in incognito mode only. And if we open more than one incognito windows, we will see a number next to incognito icon at the top right. So by using this incognito mode, we can browse privately, and other people who use this device won't see our activity. And here we got some information. Chrome won't save the following information: our browsing history, cookies, and site data information entered in forms, but our activity might still be visible to, like websites that you visit, your employer or school, your internet service providers. And if you want to stop private browsing, we need to close the incognito window by clicking on X. Like this, we can browse in private with incognito mode in Google Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.